You will see people say, when I want a suffer a helping need. Help him and see the pit when I carry you down here. You know, yes, carry you back on the floor topic.
From you see the face, I hear the voice. You know, so it's gonna be a funny video. We're not going to chat out the thing tonight. We're gonna laugh it out. Peanut Dread.
I'm gonna tell you I'm hungry, and you're gonna tell me, say, you hope me get something to eat.
About you hungry. Hungry, you bumbo clat. Me can't eat for you. Eh? When you're hungry, you don't know if you go find something yam. What you tell me about your hunger for? When me hungry, me know if you go find something yam. What your face keep blood clot. You frat on the cocky. When me done broke, you go find something yam. Don't give me no trouble. Don't be busy with you and you hungry. How you hungry and now go find something blood clot yam? What you tell me about your hunger for? Me can't eat for you.
Oi. The man dark, you know? Listen me. After Peanut Dread stab out for your belly, just know say on your own. You need to go find something to eat. Although in a previous video, Peanut Dread said, you know, give woman money except for taxi fare and food money. So probably she'll be lucky and get a taxi fare and a food money. We'll move forward.
You know a blood clot idiot. You have money machine. Me fi go walk. Last labor energy and come with money 3-4 months full. And me fi go walk. Hey, you know a idiot, you know. I made them plan for blood clot kill. And me fi sit down and surrender to that. And while me I go walk last energy for money, me have to in the mean. You think for come and do the work, boy? Come and lay down on him back, give me them the hard bumbo clot work for do. When me don't do the hard work, worse me do my job good and nothing. I don't have my pocket to no fit, you know.
So we not to give woman money?
Give your bumbo clot, you go yam shit like.
The naughty say, give big clot, woman fi gun yam. So after, you see me tell you, a Peanut Dread man, you know? You can't get $1 out of the Peanut Dread if you're a woman. So better keep your front. Or according to my ex, keep my crutches. Hey! Me tell about the video. Me tell about the video tonight. So here we are now. Just like the video. And click share. Share it with somebody on your WhatsApp or your message or just share it on Facebook. And then just comment for now. Just comment Peanut Dread. Just say that. Moving forward.
Yes, man, you fire. You get what you look for. Your big eyeglass. Hold on now. Look what happened to you now. Eh? Where that for? No eyeglass or your eyeglass?
So you see how Peanut Dread stay. After you go check him on a dugu. You tell him see you're hungry. The man say, I him dugu you and you dugu him. He not give you nothing. No, he gonna call you eyeglass after he dugu you. So, if you know what's good for you, don't dugu with Peanut Dread.
A man who you see and I take simple. I say it will less than you. You see?
Yeah.
Buck up 9 bumbo clot.
Right.
Say
Yeah.
you're going no.
Buck
So
up.
don't f***ing boy. Simple man, great. I'm great man, simple.
You there?
Man who look great, simple no bumbo clot. And see man where you say look simple. Follow him up and judge him less than with me. You if you not kick your pot up and mash your contour bullet no. You walk and talk to your blood clot self. Because you don't know.
Never know a man
Yeah.
to buckle them with it.
Yeah, judge him less than with bumbo clot is an
So basically what Peanut Dread say is Silent River run deep. Now for them man they were seeing a blings and flashy clothes. They don't have nothing to their name. The only thing they have to their name is what they have on. And man, but I truth. Look on how Bill Gates dress. Look on how Elon Musk dress. Look on how Mark Zuckerberg dress. Look at how the what my man there we own Amazon dress. Them man they dress $100 shirt, $5 shirt. And look how the rapper them dress. And I'll compare the rapper's wealth to the name that I just called. Jeff Bezos. Amazon. Poor people always a show off, man. Poor people always a buy expensive stuff to look rich. Yeah. So ladies, don't give boy them your crutches with them look rich. Make sure so they can prove to you so they can finance you and take care of you, so and don't breed for you boy them. Make your boy them build with you before you breed for them. Moving forward.
Why you think all this month you know all time full their business, right? You see this one tell him say watch out, Herman call you up there say now. When you go up there and say me rock stone and gonna run a flat.
Me go to Mount Timos. Aaron tell me say, Chappy call me out of Bedwood.
And say man call you a papin. And when you go a papin, he say you're gonna go down road. Then say you must hear say tell him come. You stand up there, one another one come tell you say, why we go up a papin, you know, and say up there and there now.
Michael says, in Ghana Cupid you know nothing. But when me go to Cupid, and another man tell me say in Ghana down at post office. Me a share with
the first one we started, you see, you have to come back and chop him straight in my mouth.
There's your time full day, my brethren, and me no understand. Have me, drill me. My God.
Can't get up and tell people like, I pull him up and down.
Why you do the naughty like that? Why did you guys fool Peanut Dread throughout the month of April? Or was it on just one day? No, sir. I see him, somebody message me, said they're pregnant on Tom Fool's Day. And me I tell us the truth. I never know if I tell the person whether if I keep it or put it away. So I sent a message like, basically I was saying, you know, pray about it and do what's best for you. Only if you get a response. Tom Fool's Day, Happy Fool's Day, or whatever, April Fool's Day. Oh, thank God, cause boy, I'm not tell nobody if you dash way. I'm not tell nobody if you keep. But me I tell us right now, so we're moving forward.
No long year boy, you know. Make white woman. Buy him car. Buy him house. Give him money. Carry him go foreign. He lay down on him back. Woman a ride in hood. Just jump up off my hood, right over his face. Encourage to push her off. If he ever harass her and lose every rascal thing, the man just surrender. Eh?
Oi! I've heard stories. Shout out to my ex-wife. American, but she did. Previously, she did Jamaicans and other Caribbean people. And yo, she never bring them argument to me yet. And that I true. You can't call my ex-wife and ask her. No! I never went down. You know, green card. Most of them man over here, if you eat all kind of stuff to get a green card, they might eat front and they might eat back to get green card. Not I. You crazy? Shout out to my ex-wife. She a real G. And you see, if enough of them yard man, I just tell the woman them straight up, say yo, because I met a chick and we were talking and for some reason I said, oh, we meet and it just kick off fast and in my car, and me I say, oh, no need to be scared. Like, you know, me a Jamaican, we take care of woman. And she like, you Jamaican? Me say, yeah. She say her ex was Jamaican. And then right away, the argument jumped from just trying to get acquainted to sex. She was like, my ex didn't eat my vagina. And he said it was for religious reasons. You guys have some religious things against oral sex. And me say, yeah, you're telling the truth. We don't perform oral sex in Jamaica as men because it's against our religion. So, me just go to a talking point, brother. We don't eat vagina, we don't eat pum pum because it's against our religion. No, you move forward. But if you have to eat it, still eat it if you want a green card. But that's on you. Moving forward.
This one I breed one.
Yeah.
Don't breed your man from back here, yeah? Don't breed your man from back here. Like if you can bun down your blood clot out, you know, nowhere.
Here then talk my
and
God.
don't go crash here and breed your man. That means you mix up about the put your man. You breed your man, woman, picking in favor you and favor auntie and your uncle. See? And don't turn up and breed your man. At every farm you have, I saw you picking the walk and bend to blood clot in cut spring blade. Shots alone can't hold your body.
Everybody's attacked here, no nothing.
Walk on.
Don't impregnate your woman at night because they pick the way dark. Peanut Dread. Don't impregnate your woman from back way, according to the man behind the fence. Because what? The pitney they gone bad. The pitney gone burn down your moving forward.
I picnic them will get enough money, go to school and learn more, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, kind contented and he happy.
Happy.
Yes, he can buy him friend them something and him feel big.
Yeah.
You know, and him belly full in the class and ready.
And all them something.
Right.
Yeah.
The one when I get no money him in the class and fretting home and all him school over. Yes, man. Cause man see the one them have money out them comfortable, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. And see if him parents them no have it.
Rough pan him, you know.
He rough pan him and he learn less, you know.
Yeah.
I'm not comfortable.
Man, now focus on a book work, man.
And when he go home, them start a ball after him. Why you dead there? And all them stuff there. You understand? Maybe he late coming from school and all that. And they don't take time with them at all because parents are problem, you know, right?
And that is so true. And that's why I will always say, if you're not financially stable as a man and as a woman, if the man not financially stable and you can help yourself as well, you should not be having a child. And you should not be having a child for a man who live with his parents, or don't be having kids if you guys are not living together. We need to bring back the nuclear family, meaning man and woman under one house and kids. And as crazy as it might sound, the right way to do it is to get married first before you have pitney. Yeah, because when you have these goddamn kids and you can't take care of the kids and the kids them suffer. You see me I say? Pitney a go to school hungry. Pitney a come home from school hungry. Then nobody can learn. They can't learn from hungry goddamn gut. Did you learn from hungry gut? No. So why the hell you broke and pauperized and you go have pitney? Don't do it to the child. All because, oh, me have 2 youth, me have 5 youth. No, stop being an effing idiot. Establish yourself first. Set up yourself first before you think about kids. Ladies, make sure say you set yourself too. And if you not set yourself, make sure say you breathe for somebody who set themselves and it turn under one umbrella. Anyways, we're gonna leave the video right there. So like it, share it, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell. Stay safe, God bless, and don't have no pitney if you can't goddamn afford it. You know how much of the country. Stay safe.